Hey, it's Bortone, and I want to share a really cool tool with you. So let me share my screen here and show you this awesome tool. Turn my video off here, called MockUp Shots, which you can get now for 60% off when you use the coupon code TAKE60. I will put my affiliate link below, but you can get this for 80 bucks. And what it does, just a one-time fee, is so cool because it'll take any art that you have, a book cover or a product or an ebook or anything like that. It will take that and in just a couple clicks will give you dozens and dozens and dozens of product shots or book shots. So it's really useful if you have a product that you're promoting or a book or an ebook or a report, because you can basically just upload your artwork once and then just click and boom, you've got all these different shots. Let me show you in my account how it works. Give you a quick demo here. So if I go back to my dashboard, I change add product, you'll see that I have several products images here, book covers and stuff like that. So all you have to do is upload your artwork. So you click to add new product, and I'll take this one that I just did recently. This was a guide, an ebook, video idea generator. Again, you can do it with book covers and stuff like that, but if I go to view mockups, because I've already uploaded it, and it will resize it for you so you can see if it looks right. And then it is going to have shots of many shots of my product, both on their own, like as a book or DVD or workbook or Kindle or iPad or iPhone, to all kinds of other really cool stuff that's just kind of fun. Any kind of scenario you can imagine, including gifts like this. That's really cool. And you just click here to download any of them. So we've got Amazon stuff and, you know, just cool little animated GIFs. And if you want to edit any of these, I mean, there's just so many, it's crazy. You can just click on any one of them. See, these are just starting to fill in now. I'll give it a minute, it has to load up. But if you wanted to edit one or add text or something like that, let's find one that's got some white space. Here. How about this one? So if I click the edit pencil, now I can actually edit the image of the product. So this is really cool because I could add a filter here, different color filters, sepia and stuff like that. Or I can add stickers. I'm not really sure why I would want to do that, but I could. That's goofy. Okay, we'll delete that. Bye, kitty. So I think I'm getting carried away here. But the main thing here is what's cool is you can add text. So if you wanted to, it's got different fonts and stuff like that. So if you wanted to put a headline in here and make this into like a print ad or a graphic or something like that, and I can make it bigger. I can change the text color. Maybe I want to make it blue. Maybe I want to put it over here. Not the best font in the world, but you can always change it. Again, you can blur, you can crop, you can draw, you can adjust the brightness and saturation. I mean, there's just a whole host of things you can do with this, and it all starts with your product. Or, you know, if you just want to crop it so that you just want a tighter shot or something, bada bing, bada boom. Really, really helpful, really easy to use, just a couple clicks, and you too can have dozens, hundreds really, of product shots. So I'm going to put the link below, and don't forget to use the code TAKE60 to take 60% off and get all of these cool graphics, as many as you want, for just 80 bucks. Even the gifts, which is kind of cool. So check it out. I love this tool, and I think you'll like it too. Bye for now.